We'll guide you through how to fix missing blank desktop icons in Windows. What you need to do is come to the bottom of your computer and click on search and go and type in run, like so. You'll go and get this pop-up and you need to go and type in app data, like I've got here, and press OK. You'll go and get this pop-up, and then what you need to do is go into local. In local, you then need to go to the top and click on view, hover over show, and make sure hidden items is selected. That may vary a little bit, but just go and make sure hidden items are enabled and scroll to the bottom of this list here, and you should then find iconcache.db. Then what you want to do is go and right click on it, and we want to go and delete it like so. After you've deleted it, come to the bottom of your computer again and type in Task Manager and go and open it up. Go and find Windows Explorer in here. I've got it open, so it's in Apps, so then go and select it and click on Restart Task. Your computer will then go and refresh, and that should then go and fix the missing icons.